Hello guys, welcome back into this crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC, and we're going to look at the Ethereum as well as the total market cap for altcoins. However, before we start, if you get a value from this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into it. Based on a weekly time frame, this was an accumulation zone, and that was a buy zone that I gave. And also, as soon as we stayed above $18,000 and $19,000, that was with the retest. We had a bullish trend change based on a daily time frame, and we reached to all the target levels that I gave in advance, and we saw massive 375% pump for the spot back holders. And a local resistance is going to be $75,000 and $77,000 above this level, which is I'm expecting a pullback, and then I'll explain in a minute that we have to have a look into the daily time frame as well. And above this, we've got $80,000, and all the psychological levels, 85 plus 88 is going to be extremely important as well, where we have some Fibonacci levels all the way up to $100 is going to be the target number one. And then claim the psychological level, it's going to be 110 all the way up to 120, and 125 is going to be the target level in the coming weeks and months. So that was the exit level from the bear market that we saw 75% plus dump. However, from the entry, the bull market that we saw over 370% pump for the spot back holders. Moving on with the total three, where you're going to exclude BTC and Ethereum, you will get a total market cap for the altcoins. As soon as we had the trend change with a confirmation, that was around $350 billion. And one by one, we cleared all these target levels, plus this important Fibonacci higher time frame Fibonacci level as well. In the last update, this is going to be important level, which is a diagonal resistance. And as soon as we're going to clear this level, however, I'm expecting a pullback, slight pullback, and the next level is going to be 850 all the way up to 950 billion levels. So, and that's confluence with, as you can see, important red diagonal line. As long as we stay 600 billion and 590 billion, daily time frame is safe. We might see this type of slight pullback, and then as soon as we're going to claim this level, and we will go further up, as I said, first target level is going to be 820, and then followed by 50 all the way up to 950 billion levels. So these are the target. However, if we see a reaction from the BTC and then all the market goes pump and claim this level, and the target levels remain the same, the pullbacks for the altcoins will offer a buy opportunity. So from the trend change for the altcoin market, we saw nearly 140% pump. Moving on with the ETH analysis on the daily time frame. At the moment, ETH is heavily under the bull's control, as long as this is a primary level where you have a support, MTF support, plus we have a 382 confluence at around 3,350 and 3,450 level. If the BTC further dumps from current level, and then the next level is going to be $63,000 to $64,000 for BTC. However, for Ethereum is going to be 3,150 all the way up to $2,900 are going to be, this level is going to be important level where we have an MTF support plus 0.618 Fibonacci levels. So we might expect this type of price action. However, if we're going to hold this level and then see a sign of strength with a trend change on the lower time frame, we can go further up, and 4,200 is going to be the target number one. Based on a 4-hour time frame, as I said, this is extremely important on the daily as well as the 4-hour time frame. Losing this level, 4-hour will enter under the bear's control, and highly likely that first level that we will test 3,130 all the way, we can come $2,900-ish. However, as you can see, we've got confluence with a hybrid system. Losing this level, then the next one is going to be, as you can see, with the confluence with a blue line, this is going to be a lining up smart money line, $2,900 and $3,100-ish levels. So as soon as we broke the daily resistance, as you can see, perfectly retested it, and then we reached all the target levels, including 618 and plus, as I gave in the previous videos, that 2,800 all the way up to 4,000 and plus. So as soon as we had a trend change, we saw massive 65% nearly pump for the spot back and swing traders. If you want to learn all this technical analysis what I'm showing to you, and if you want to become an independent professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and 101 Intense Masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. This is the last trade that I shared last night, where the price was at around 71,800, and as you can see, that was the exact setup that I was talking about. As soon as the price was, I was expecting either acceptance or rejection below this line, and then the price will take in the first place target number 1 followed by target 2. So as you can see, that was a rejection level. As soon as we lost this support, which is a higher time frame support, and massive decline in the market. So already I collected 2R trade within this trade, and then the next one, the stop is safe already. And if we're going to see this type of price action, I will cover in a minute these price action at around $64,000 and $63,000. The recent one which I shared, the price was at around here, and I was expecting to come all the way onto this level, which is an MTF support plus 618 confluence. As you can see, we're going to come here and then all the way up to $74,000 I mentioned. That was over 3R trade. However, I collected within this trade 2.7R. As soon as it penetrated to the support and V-shaped recovery, and we pumped and cleared all these local liquidity levels, and as I said, that gave on its own 2.7R trade. BTC on the 4-hour time frame is heavily under the bull's control. As soon as we claimed above $44,000, we had a trend change based on a 4-hour time frame, and we cleared all the resistance levels that I gave in advance, and we saw decent pump in the market, which is 70% pump for swing traders. So at the moment we've got rejection at around $74,000, and local resistance is going to be, as soon as we're going to claim this level during the weekend and claim as a support, that will take us in the first place $72,000 followed by $73,000. If we're going to claim this level, which is going to be $73,400 and $500, the next game plan all the way up to $75,000 and $76,000. However, if we get a rejection from this level, as I said, the next level is going to be $64,000 all the way up to $62,900 and $800. And as long as we're going to be above this level, 4-hour remain bullish. However, losing this level, it's slightly early for us to talk about it. Then there's going to be a trend change based on a 4-hour time frame. As I said, it is slightly early for us to talk about it. You want to see the reaction, this type of reaction from here. Also, I would like to remind you that we're struggling at the moment below, as you can see, this hybrid systems green line, and that will confluence, if we're going to see a rejection, that confluence with a white smart money line, and another confluence at around here with a red line. As I said, claim above this level on the lower time frame 72, followed by all the way up to $73,000 is going to be the next target levels. Claiming this level, 73,300 and 500, 75,000 all the way up to $76,000 are going to be the next target levels. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.